Yo, what's up guys? Universal Mastery. So what I do on my channel is I break down the occult sciences so that you can take them and you can use them in your day-to-day life and get real, actual, and practical results. So what I'm going to be talking about in today's video is an Ars Goetia demon by the name of Beleth. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is make sure you go and you check out the Patreon. The Patreon is going to be the first link in the description. Basically, if you become a tier 2 or up, you're going to gain access to one exclusive video weekly that will not be on my YouTube channel. You will only gain access to that if you are a tier 2 or up. To be a tier 2, it is $9.95 a month, which literally equates to less than $1 a day. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to afford that. And right now I have a very powerful video that's already on the Patreon of how a step-by-step breakdown video of exactly how to do an invocation of a spirit of your choice. So make sure you check that out. The link for that is going to be at the top of the description. But other than that, I'm going to go right into the video. Here we go. So Beleth, pronounced as Beleth. Okay. Working with Beleth can ignite an old flame once lost in a relationship and cause passion between lovers. Beleth can cause someone to want to engage in sexual acts more frequently and be aroused with sexual love for you. Beleth can also bring lasting love to men and women to start a family, fidelity, long-term commitments. Beleth will tell you if someone really cares for you or not. Interesting. Okay, so the level is beginner to advanced. The tarot is 5 of Wands. The planet, Mercury. The metal, mercury. The element is air. The color, red. The plant, dill. Incense, frankincense. Zodiac is going to be Leo. And then the demonic N, here we go. The demonic N is going to be Lirash Tasa Vifa Well Beleth. 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 Ooh. Alright, so there we go. So once again, I don't have any personal in-depth pathworking types of experiences with Beleth, but from what I've read, or from what we just read, it definitely seems like if you are having some rocky situations in your relationships, whether that be with your significant other, whether that be with even a friendship with somebody that you care about, it seems like Beleth definitely can specialize in that area of helping you figure out what it is that you need to understand in order to spark that flame again, to arouse each other again, or keep each other motivated and keep each other going towards that goal of union, of coming together and really enjoying each other's presence and creating something together. So that's, that's definitely what it seems like Beleth has to offer. So definitely look into that. So other than that, this is going to wrap up the video. I'm going to leave it here. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I post videos as often as I can. And definitely make sure you go and you check out that Patreon. Once again, it is going to be the first link in the description. Go to the link below that. It'll take you to my Streamlabs merch where I have powerful symbols of Hecate on a shirt. Okay? A very powerful shirt with the Hecate sigil on it. You place your order, they will ship it right to your door. Then you go to the link below that. It's going to be the third link. That's going to take you to my Facebook community. You go to the Facebook community, you're going to see a pinned post that says private group. Click that link, take you over to the private group. I will add you in if you request to join. Other than that, I'm going to leave it here. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day or night wherever you are, and I love you. Peace.